Welcome back to another edition of Simple Sundays Cooking with Zion. Still trying to get over that last show with those wonderful pork belly sliders. Very, very delicious. And our theme this month is, of course, Valentine's Day. So the first meal with the sliders that were so delicious was at least first base. Those, little background romantic music, fine. So today we are going to be prepping a tomahawk steak. And hopefully this gets you to the next level of your relationship. But this is definitely dynamite. So we're going to take our tomahawk steak. We're going to accompany it with Yukon potatoes, which is a German salad. It's going to be warm. It's not a cold salad, so warm potato salad. We're going to do some asparagus. And so I'm going to go ahead and season our tomahawk steak with just simple kosher salt. Like this. Turn it up, around, salt it this way, just simple, because we want to keep the meat flavor. And I'm going to place it into our brazier. Our brazier is a beautiful pan. I've used it in the past. And so I prepped some clarified butter that I made myself. All you have to do is low flame. You put a cube of butter in there, and the salt particles float to the top, and then the bottom is the clarified butter. We're going to brown it on each side. Then we'll place it on this cooking sheet and place it into the oven for about 45 minutes or to with the temperature you would like, rare, medium, or completely cooked. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. A couple of minutes, 4 probably on each side, and then place it onto my cookie sheet. I'm going to accompany the tomahawk steak with some asparagus. I already cut the bottoms. I'm using the leftover clarified butter that we braised our tomahawk steak. So you just simply, you can, wherever you would like to have them cut. I have them at this length. So you know, because they're very stemmy, so you don't want all the stems, because sometimes they're tough to eat or cut. So I'm going to place these right into the pan. I'm prepping the onion. I'm cutting them into moon-style onion, and when the potatoes are almost ready to be done, which I have them in the brazier, cooking with the clarified butter that was left over. But this is what they look like. Just a quick little example. You want moon-shaped onion. Cut it in half, and then turn it to the side, and you'll get the best results. And there we go. And these will be ready in a bit to put into the potatoes, the Yukon potatoes. Thank you. So here we are. I just finished sauteing or cooking the Yukon potato. Added pepper, salt to my taste, and also I added dill, fresh dill, a whole sprig or bundle of dill. Added to the potatoes as I sauteed them in the clarified butter. Next ingredient is the Grey Poupon, and this is a shout out to my godson Justin. We used to take him everywhere when he was 6 years old. And we would be at McDonald's, Taco Bell, but he loved Grey Poupon, so we would always ask them, "Excuse me, but do you have Grey Poupon?" And so that's just a little throwback. Grey Poupon mustard. Add it up in there and just mix it around gently. Because this is the night we get to hug, dance, and kiss some more. Maybe even a hickey. No dicky, hickey, or no licky. No licky, no dicky, not yet. This is the middle meal. So we're back. Pulled out the tomahawk steak, and this is what it looks like. We had it in there for, depending on what you want, 45 minutes to an hour. So I'm going to go ahead and cut along the bone here, and I'm just going to slice. Do some nice slices. I'm not going to completely slice it off because I'm going to put this plated on the asparagus. I don't know if the camera guy can see this, but I don't know if you want to just see. This is a little bit more well done for people that like it more, but look at this, is just absolutely amazing. Look at that, it's perfectly cut. My goodness gracious. Look at this fucking tomahawk. It'll fucking chop you up. It'll eat you alive. And I'm gonna place this puppy. My mouth is watering, by the way. But look at this. Over these beautiful asparagus. Here we go. To Jake Lopez's family. Victor. Nancy. Jacob. Such a wonderful pal. Love you guys. Alyssa. There we go. This is it. This should get you to third base, man. This doesn't. Gotta work harder then. Is you not entertained? Look at this. Simple Sundays, cooking with Zion. Remember to subscribe and stop chefing around and get cooking.
Action.
So here we are. We're back. Pulled out this nice, beautiful hummus. Jesus.